Hello, I'm going to show you how to register and get verified on ByBit. I'll be using the ByBit app. You can check out the links in the description section below. Okay, let's get started. Here's the ByBit dashboard. Let's click this to sign up. You can sign up with your email, mobile number, or sign up with your Google account. I'll sign up with my email. Then create a strong password. You may use this referral code. Read and understand their terms of service and privacy policy. Tick this if you agree, then click sign up. Solve the CAPTCHA. Alright, you will receive a verification code. I'll check my email for the code. Okay, enter it here. Alright, it's better if you enable the security features. So I will enable my two-factor authentication. You will need an authenticator app for this. Okay, solve the CAPTCHA. They will send a verification code. Just enter it here. Okay, continue. Copy the key. Go to your authenticator app and add ByBit there by entering the key. Then you will see an authentication code for ByBit. So copy that. Go back to ByBit app and paste the code here. Alright, so I've set up my authenticator and it prompted me to log in. Then it now requires an authentication code for security verification. Okay, let's click the profile icon here. You can set up other security features. I'll do that later. My account is still unverified. Now let's check the rewards hub for new tasks. So there's a new task for level 1 verification and here's the reward. Now let's get verified. By the way, this tutorial will only show how to do level 1 verification. Click verify now. Select your country or region. Then select a document to submit. Next, take note of the requirements and guidelines. Next, if ByBit asks for permission to take pictures, just allow it. Okay, you will submit an ID and take a selfie. Continue. Select the document you will submit. Mine is ID card. Take a photo of the front of your ID and make sure it's readable. If not, you can always retake the photo. Mine is clear? Okay. Then take a photo of the back of the ID. Okay, it's also readable. Next, take a selfie. Make sure your face is in the frame. Just follow the instructions. Okay, done. I've completed the verification. Now I'm level 1 verified. Make sure you've submitted authentic documents and you follow the instructions. In the rewards hub, I can now claim my reward and use it, but it has an expiration. Okay, so that's how you register and get verified on ByBit. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.